going to do the one camera and just go up and fly around. We just had the alternator belt replaced, and so I'm just going to go cruise around a little bit with the GoPro. We've got a battery pack and an audio cable for it, so we're going to try that and make sure that all works before we go on a longer flight. So we'll get to it. Got the trusty Canon camcorder. Not sure how long that is. It shoots in 1080. Set. So we've received the new or used Garmin 530, and so now it's going to replace this and one of those. Probably going to get a new audio panel, and I may end up replacing the radios as well. Maybe get a 430 to go there without the loss, or just a Navcom. This has got to be replaced with the new CDI because this is all in one contained nav unit. So I may just bite the bullet and have it done. It's freaking expensive though. Anything related to plane is expensive. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So let's go flying. We're going to go ahead and get this all hooked up, wired up here, and powered up so that we've got extra battery power going to the GoPro. And then I will put this in and get that hooked up as soon as we get the avionics on and get audio to it. So, it's a coiled mess. Get the magnets away from the compass. I do have a new card compass, vertical card, that I think I'm just going to have them do all that at the same time. So, and then I looked at the new Garmin G5 stuff, I think is what it is, the individual instruments to replace the heading indicator and also the attitude indicator. But those plus installation are going to be a lot, but it gets rid of the vacuum pump at that point then. So, okay, good squirt. Clear. Do this again. Clear. Plug-in hole is there, so I think we got it.
Turning final for runway 30.
Let's see if we're charging. Okay, hopefully we've got audio again. The camera just like freaked out and rebooted. Go figure.
500 indicated appears to be in a slow climb.
Searching for 3137.
I think it stopped recording some time ago and I don't know why. Glitch. That's too bad. Flew all day only to discover that the unit had a glitch. It stopped recording.
To right down 3.
5483, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles maneuvering 4,600 Cherokee.
Look at my traffic 5483.
Tail number 326, traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles maneuvering 4,500 Chicago.
This is the artificial. So we got a plane out there at 3,300 feet above and 5.5 miles.
And NorCal for Meridian 3137.
And there it is.
Speed direct oxygen for a course reversal.
And we'll be looking for it.
Or 3137 Tango, fly heading 080, vector for traffic, climb maintain 3,000.
080 heading
might be in the clouds.
For 3137 Tango.
Okay, what is supposed to see? We gotta have a visitor trip effect. 43326, roger, altitude, your discretion.
Yeah.
I just tell discretion, what is 43326. 3137 Tango, you can expect your oxygen here shortly. How will this?
And there it is.
Yes, sir, we'll take the alternate missed 0502000 for 3137 Tango.
37 Tango, roger.
And there's the traffic way up there. I don't even know if we'll be able to see it.
3090 Alpha, NorCal, first evening, stock now, altimeter 3017.
3017.
It's up there, it is. I know it is.
3137 Tango, clear direct oxygen.
But we're zoomed in so far we can't see it. There it is.
ain't gonna worry about it now.
Norcal Cessna 54838, just heading back to Stockton Airport. We have information, Juliet.
54838, roger.
Crazy traffic, Cessna 91 Mike is about 10 miles out to the southeast, 1,000 feet inbound, landing Tracy. Crazy traffic, Cessna 91 Mike is 5 miles out to the southeast, inbound, landing Tracy, 1,000 feet. Disconnect the autopilot.
Westover traffic, 76933, taxiing on 19er, Westover.
Crazy traffic, Cessna 91 Mike is about 4 miles out to the south-southeast. Over the freeway, inbound for the 45 for left traffic 30, Tracy. Tracy traffic, Cessna 91 Mike is about 3 miles out from the airport, past the freeway, up against the hills, going to be entering the 45, left traffic 30, Tracy.
Condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 1 Celsius. Dew point 3 Celsius. Altimeter 3017 inches of mercury.
Tracy Municipal Airport.
Automated weather observation 0013 Zulu. Wind 30 at 5 knots. Visibility more than 1.
Tracy traffic, Cessna 91 Mike is about 2 miles out from the airport now. We are to the west, up against the hills, going to be entering the 45, left traffic 30, Tracy. Nobody loves me. Autopilot off. Tracy traffic, Cessna 91 Mike is entering the 45 for left traffic 30, Tracy. Tracy traffic, Cessna 91 Mike is going into the downwind for 30, Tracy. Tracy traffic, Cessna 91 Mike is turning left base, 30, Tracy. Tracy traffic, Cessna 91 Mike is final 30, Tracy.
Non-traffic RV 127 Whiskey Romeo, we're about 5 to the north for a ride downwind, 31 knots.
Tracy traffic, Cessna 91 Mike's clear 30, South Hangars. And that's a wrap. Lettuce wrap. I need food. And 1 hour on the fuel. It's quiet. It's very quiet. Crud, since I sealed up all of the air leaks and stuff and put these in and the door seals and stuff, it's with the noise canceling headsets on, it is quiet. I am happy. Happy. Do the happy dance. green light works, red light works, and strobes.
Hopefully it's still and we're 100% charged. Stop the timer. End the madness. And that's a wrap. So I wanted to do just a quick follow-up of what the issue is or was that we had with the GoPro 7 with the audio and the camera shutting off. We ended up buying this adapter cable for the GoPro 7, which I guess will work on a GoPro 5 or 6 or whatever. And then a like a 20,000 amp hour standby battery for powering the camera. And everything was fine, tested. We had audio, and when I went to plug in the GoPro cable for the USB for the battery pack that was sitting in the right seat, the camera just rebooted. It just freaked out and then said that it was repairing a file, which it never repaired, and came back. And apparently there is some kind of glitch or something with that. And as you see in the video, we did not, it ended up shutting off shortly after we taxied out for run-up. And then I found, that the thing had choked, and so just left it on the battery after that. But ended up going back and doing some testing in the hangar after getting back, and found that if you take the battery out and then power that thing up with the battery pack, it runs fine and there's no issues whatsoever. But there's some kind of glitch with the battery and plugging that thing in with the extended battery pack that just doesn't like the footage, though, or whatever, the image quality of the GoPro 7s. We had the Garmin Verb in there, and there's no comparison. Don't waste your money on the Garmin Verb. The GoPro, the image stabilization and the quality of the image out of that we're shooting now at 2.7K for the videos that we're doing is absolutely wonderful. So we're going to be doing everything now with GoPro 7s and the image stabilization on everything, and looking forward to doing more videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by.